How to make a better camera shake. Today's video is sponsored by the Coca-Cola guy. Bring an adjustment clip on top of your cut and keep it short. Right-click on it and select to open it in the Fusion page. Add a glow node. Bring down the shine threshold slider. Right-click to the gain slider and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, set the curve to easing, change the in and out to expo, and check the mirror box. Bring a camera shake node. Right-click to the motion scale slider and select to modify it with anim curves. Go to the Modifiers tab, change the source to duration, the curve to easing, and set the in and out to expo. Check the mirror box, and go back to the Tools tab. Increase the motion blur and scale sliders all the way. Bring down the pan slider and increase the tilt. Bring down the rotation and increase the speed slider. Increase the zoom amplitude and the zoom speed slider to your liking. Change the border type to replicate, and you can stop here, or you can add a motion blur node after, and play around with the blur slider, just because you can. If you like this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, the world is too unfair to you.